My wife and I have lived in Palos Verdes since 1995. My children has benefited tremendously from the quality of education in Palos Verdes. My name is Aaron Chan. I want to make sure the school is financially sound to be able to deliver that to our children. Unfortunately, at this point in time, I only have bad news to share with you guys.
How long can the district keep spending more than it receives? How much worse will that deficit be? Can you help me out with that?
Today, I want to share some information about the school district which I have discovered. PVP-USD appears to be following the pattern of the 3 bankrupt school districts we have seen. Rising debt, deficit spending more than we receive, enrollments dropping, cash reserve is dropping. Those are signs that point to bankruptcy.